for this video is to show students how to use PowerPoint for screen recordings. Success today means that students can check to see if they know everything on the checklist of tasks in their student work resources given section of the class notebook. Also, they should be able to screen record all of the checklists of tasks onto a blank PowerPoint, placing each recording onto a separate slide. So if you do not know what checklists of tasks is, checklists of tasks in their student class notebook resources section are 8 tasks that students will record. These are items on their list of things that they should be able to do without teacher help by the end of the quarter, and specifically by the end of the semester. Now, you will notice on the checklist of tasks, there are 4 items that cannot be recorded. They're already checked off. That's because when you press your Windows button and you go to your name, you will see Sign Out and Lock are there. And you will also see the shutdown button with Restart, Shutdown, Sleep. If you were to try and record that with using PowerPoint, your computer would shut down during your recording and they don't work. That's why they're at the top of the list and they're already checked off, because you're unable to screen record those 4 tasks. So just know Windows L is lock. That's important to know. Now let's get to the actual recording. The very first recording we are going to use PowerPoint for is syncing your computer via company portal. So the idea is that you go to Microsoft Edge, that blue swirly on the bottom. You will click on Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can scroll down to get to Microsoft PowerPoint, and you need to open up a blank presentation. And you open this blank presentation when I press editing and open in desktop. You have to open it up in the desktop. So now that I have my blank presentation open, I know on home and new slide, I know I'm going to have 8 recordings for this assignment. So I am going to create 8 slides onto my PowerPoint. So watch how I do this. It goes new slide, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so now for my first recording, I go all the way up. I click on slide 1, and now I am ready to use the record button featured here on the tab. So I press record. I go to the 5th icon called screen recording. And then I need to select my area. So here, when you're using the laptop, I use 2 hands. I hold the left mouse down. Once I get my cursor, that crosshair in the left-hand, top left-hand corner, hold the left mouse down if you don't have a normal mouse, and drag your right hand to the right. Now that I've selected my area, remember I need to show and record syncing my computer. I'm going to press record, and now it's recording. 3, 2, 1, and I go to my search bar, and I am going to type company, and sure enough, I can click sync this device here and stop my recording, or I can go the long way and say open, and then I press record. I'm sorry, then I press sync. Once it pops up on my settings, some people have to click settings for it to pop up, and then you press sync. You do not have to wait to be done syncing to stop your recording. I move my mouse up all the way in the middle, I press stop. If you press pause, it will not stop. You need it to stop recording. And now if you want to see what you did, you can go to the bottom, the PowerPoint. I have 3 of them open. This one on the very right is the one I just did. And if you don't believe me that it's a recording, you can press the play and I go to my search bar. Now, I'm going to throw this in for my advanced students. If you recorded too long, you can go to playback. You can trim your recording, and you can just drag in whichever part you wanted to trim. If you do not need to trim, don't trim. Also, just to be super clear, if you hate this recording, you don't need to move it out of the screen. You can just press the delete key and it will delete. But if you don't want to delete it, you can Control Z, get it back, do all 8 recordings. And for my advanced students, just a reminder, if you were creating a video, you would go to File, and you could export and create an entire video of how to do all the checklists of tasks just by pressing Create Video. For this assignment, you are just to get all 8 recordings, and then you are going to go to Share. When you are done, you're going to press Share, and then you are going to copy the link and place it onto the Teams assignment. And that is attaching a link. And that is how you screen record using PowerPoint, the checklist of tasks. Have a nice day. If you have any questions, reach out to your local teacher, which is me, and I'll be here for you.